A future where transportation transcends traditional boundaries is no longer just a dream. It is rapidly becoming a vision within our reach. Imagine a world where vehicles are not only autonomous, but also powered by clean energy, seamlessly integrated with smart city networks that anticipate and adapt to your needs. Hyperloop systems could revolutionize long-distance travel, propelling passengers at unimaginable speeds through vacuum tubes, reducing intercity travel to mere minutes. Flying cars, once confined to the pages of science fiction, may soon dominate the skies, providing vertical takeoff capabilities and eliminating traffic congestion entirely. Personal drones could transport goods with unmatched efficiency, ensuring rapid delivery for everything from packages to emergency medical supplies. Transportation hubs would transform into dynamic ecosystems, blending sustainability with cutting-edge technology. Magnetic levitation trains, powered by renewable energy, could silently glide between destinations, redefining the very essence of comfort and speed. Meanwhile, underwater tunnel systems might connect continents, offering an alternative to air travel with an emphasis on ecological preservation. Urban mobility would undergo a radical shift, with self-driving electric shuttles navigating streets, connecting neighborhoods, and reducing carbon footprints. The integration of artificial intelligence would enable predictive traffic management, eliminating bottlenecks and accidents. Vehicles might communicate with each other in real time, creating a synchronized network that operates with precision. This is the transportation revolution, one that values efficiency, sustainability, and innovation, paving the way for a cleaner, faster, and more interconnected world. The Audi Active Sphere concept stands as a visionary leap into the future of premium mobility, blending cutting-edge technology, sustainable design, and unparalleled luxury in a way that redefines modern automotive expectations. Audi's commitment to innovation is showcased through this concept, which goes far beyond merely providing a mode of transportation. The Active Sphere represents an entirely new approach to how we engage with vehicles, combining versatility for sustainability and high-end technology to create a truly transformative mobility experience. This revolutionary concept sets a new benchmark for premium cars, emphasizing not only the journey, but also the evolution of how we interact with our vehicles and the world around us. At its essence, the Audi Active Sphere concept is fusion of advanced engineering and timeless design. It addresses the growing demand for vehicles that cater to an array of lifestyle needs. Whether you are commuting through city streets, embarking on a long-distance journey, or seeking adventure off the beaten path, the Active Sphere adapts to meet your requirements with ease. Its sleek modern silhouette speaks to Audi's signature luxury, while also integrating practical design elements that enhance its performance and versatility. This concept is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about crafting a unique, dynamic experience for the driver and passengers alike, turning every journey into something special. One of the most striking aspects of the Audi Active Sphere concept is its focus on sustainability. In a world increasingly concerned with environmental impact, Audi's commitment to creating an eco-friendly vehicle that does not compromise on luxury is truly commendable. By using advanced, sustainable materials, energy-efficient systems, and responsible production practices, the Active Sphere sets a new standard for environmentally conscious mobility. Audi continues to push the envelope, demonstrating that it is possible to create a luxurious vehicle that is not only innovative in design and functionality, but also mindful of the planet. The concept reaffirms Audi's role as a leader in the transition toward a more sustainable automotive future, showing that luxury and eco-consciousness can coexist seamlessly. The Active Sphere concept also takes full advantage of Audi's technological prowess, showcasing an array of features that make it a true leader in the future of connected mobility. The vehicle incorporates advanced driver assistance systems, enabling an intuitive, safe, and stress-free driving experience. From autonomous driving capabilities to real-time navigation, obstacle detection, and predictive maintenance, every technological aspect of the Active Sphere is engineered to enhance both the safety and enjoyment of the journey. The integration of connectivity and smart features ensures that the active sphere remains at the forefront of modern transportation. Passengers can remain connected, entertained, and productive on the go, with access to seamless communication and entertainment systems. This level of integration is not just about providing functionality, it's about creating a completely connected experience that reflects how technology is becoming an integral part of our everyday lives. Inside, the Audi Active Sphere concept redefines what it means to experience luxury. Every detail of the interior is meticulously crafted to combine comfort, style, and functionality. The cabin is designed to offer an extraordinary sense of space, with premium materials, customizable lighting, and ergonomic seating that ensure the highest level of comfort. Audi's innovative digital cockpit serves as the heart of the interior experience, providing an intuitive interface that allows drivers and passengers to interact with the vehicle's systems effortlessly. The interior's flexible design caters to a variety of needs, whether it's adjusting seating configurations for a more relaxed journey or creating a working environment for those on the move. The Active Sphere's interior is as much about luxury as it is about delivering a truly personalized experience. The versatility of the Active Sphere concept extends beyond its design. It is built to enhance how we live and work. Whether you are an urban professional seeking a seamless commuting experience or an adventurer looking to explore more remote landscapes, the Active Sphere adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. Its dual-purpose functionality means it can be both a sophisticated urban vehicle and a rugged off-road companion, bridging the gap between modern urban living and a more adventurous spirit. This ability to meet diverse needs without compromise is what sets the Active Sphere apart as a truly revolutionary concept in automotive design. Moreover, the Audi Active Sphere concept exemplifies Audi's vision of mobility as an integrated, holistic experience. It represents the future of mobility as more than just a means of transportation. It is an essential part of the daily life of its users. It merges sustainability, advanced technology, and luxury to create a mobility solution that enhances every aspect of life. With the Active Sphere, Audi is not only reimagining how we move through the world, but also rethinking the relationship between individuals, vehicles, and the environment. In conclusion, the Audi Active Sphere concept is much more than just a glimpse into the future. It is an embodiment of the future of mobility itself. It seamlessly blends innovation with luxury and sustainability, setting a new standard for the automotive industry. By rethinking what a vehicle can and should be, Audi is positioning itself as a leader in the future of automotive design. The Active Sphere is not just a vehicle. It is a statement of what is possible when technology, design, and sustainability are brought together in harmony. Audi is not just imagining the future of premium mobility. It is actively shaping it, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and redefining the driving experience for generations to come. Skyway technology offers a groundbreaking approach to modern transportation by combining efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. Its advanced design prioritizes ecological benefits by significantly reducing environmental impact compared to traditional transportation systems. By utilizing elevated string rail structures, Skyway minimizes land usage, preserving natural landscapes and ecosystems. This approach not only protects the environment, but also reduces construction costs and time compared to conventional railways or highways. The technology is energy efficient, with the ability to integrate renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines into its infrastructure. This promotes the use of clean energy, further contributing to a reduction in carbon emissions. Another advantage of Skyway technology is its high-speed capability, making it an excellent solution for urban and intercity travel. Passengers can experience shorter travel times while enjoying safety and comfort. The design of Skyway transport vehicles ensures smooth operation with minimal noise, making it ideal for use in densely populated areas without causing disturbances. Additionally, the elevated structure eliminates traffic congestion and accidents caused by traditional ground-level transportation systems, ensuring a safer experience for users. Skyway technology is also cost-effective in terms of maintenance and operation. The lightweight and durable materials used in its construction result in lower wear and tear, reducing long-term expenses. Moreover, its scalability and adaptability allow it to cater to different environments, whether in urban settings, deserts, or mountainous regions. Overall, Skyway technology represents a forward-thinking solution that addresses the challenges of modern transportation while prioritizing environmental and economic sustainability. The AirPods are not just wireless earbuds. They are your personal privacy capsule, designed to provide you with an immersive listening experience, free from distractions. When you place them in your ears, it's like entering a world where you're in control of what you hear, with high-quality sound that blocks out the noise around you. Whether you're on a busy street, in a crowded train, or simply sitting in a noisy room, the AirPods let you focus on your music, calls, or podcasts, all while keeping unwanted noise at bay. This personal listening space is made possible by advanced technology that ensures crystal clear sound from deep bass to high treble. The AirPods seamlessly sync with your devices, making it easy to switch between tasks without skipping a beat. They're designed to fit comfortably and securely, so you can wear them for hours without any discomfort, whether you're working out, commuting, or relaxing. The privacy aspect isn't limited to just blocking out external noise. With built-in features like voice assistance and noise cancellation, your conversations and audio remain private, even in public spaces. When you take a call, the built-in microphones focus on your voice, filtering out background noise to ensure that the person on the other end hears you clearly, no matter where you are. In essence, AirPods are your go-to device for a private, uninterrupted listening experience that keeps you connected to your world while shielding you from distractions. The AirPods Smart Napping Pod is designed to offer a revolutionary way to experience rest and relaxation, transforming your napping routine into a deeply soothing experience. Imagine stepping into a pod that not only provides a perfect, tranquil environment for sleep, but also intelligently adapts to your body's needs. The AirPod is equipped with cutting-edge technology to monitor and adjust factors like sound, temperature, and even light, ensuring that you receive the best possible rest every time you use it. The pod's soothing features work harmoniously to create a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The calming sounds it emits can help drown out distractions, while the temperature control keeps you comfortable no matter the weather outside. In addition, the pod's soft ambient lighting helps promote relaxation, allowing you to drift into a peaceful sleep in no time. Whether you're looking for a quick power nap during a busy day or a longer, more rejuvenating rest, the AirPods Smart Napping Pod is engineered to cater to your specific needs. It knows when to guide you gently into a deep sleep and when to help you wake up feeling refreshed with a gentle alarm that eases you out of your slumber. This innovative pod isn't just about sleep. It's about enhancing the way you rest. Sweet dreams are no longer a distant fantasy, but a reality waiting for you every time you step inside. With the AirPod, a perfect nap is just a moment away, and your body and mind are nurtured back to their best state.